Assalamualaikum and good day Encik Afian and my fellow classmate. My name is Fatin Nadhirah from class MT2 and this is my individual presentation for the course MTS 3203 Mathematical Reasoning. Today, I will be presenting about the working backward strategy, which is one of the methods used to solve non-routine mathematical problems. In this presentation, I will explain how this strategy works, how it was applied to Amir's working problem, and how it helps to build logical and analytical thinking in mathematics. For this individual task, I used the same non-routine problem that my group worked on earlier. In our group presentation, we represented the solution using a bar chart. However, in my individual work, I chose to solve the same problem using the working backward strategy. The purpose of this task is to show how that mathematical reasoning can be represented in different ways but still lead to the same conclusion. By using this strategy, the solution process becomes more organized and logical as it starts from the final goal and moves backwards to find the unknown information. The problem given is about Amir's working plan for a month. Amir plans to walk an average of 5.5 km per day for 30 days. Then, in the first 10 days, he walked an average of 4.2 kilometers per day. Then, in the next 8 days, he walked an average of 3.75 kilometers per day. From this information, we need to find the average distance Amir must walk during the remaining 12 days in order to reach his target average. This problem is suitable for the working backward strategy because the final goal and part of the data are already known. The reason why I chose the working backward strategy because this problem provides the final goal and some known information. Working backward is used because it starts from the goal and moves in reverse order. This strategy is very useful when we know the end result but need to find what happened before it. Second, it helps identify missing information. In mathematics, working backward means starting from the answer and reversing the operation to find the missing information. Next, it also encourages logical reasoning and organized problem solving. This method helps us think logically, stay organized, and clearly see how each step connects to the final result. It also aligns with Polya's step 3, which focuses on carrying out the plan effectively using reasoning and logical steps. Concept of working backward. First, the working backward strategy begins from the known result and retraces logical steps to determine the unknown values. The working backward strategy is a logical and organized way to solve problems. The second one, in mathematics, this method is effective when the final outcome is known and the steps leading to it need to be determined. It starts from the final goal and moves step in reverse to find missing information. Next, it strengthens reasoning and promotes step-by-step analysis. This method is effective for problems that involve several stages because it helps to understand how each piece of data is connected. There are 4 main steps, which is Step 1, define the end goal. Step 2, identify key milestone or known information. Step 3, outline the reverse action plan to trace each step backward. Step 4, review and refine the solution to make sure it is accurate. Through these steps, this strategy improves reasoning, accuracy, and understanding of mathematical relationships. Now, this slide shows how the working backward strategy is applied to Amir's working problem. Step 1. Define the end goal. Amir's goal is to maintain an average of 5.5 km per day for 30 days. Total target distance is 30 times 5.5 equals to 165 kilometers. This serves as the main reference point for the backward calculation. Step 2. Identify key milestone. In distance already covered. So in the first 10 days, 10 times 4.2 equals to 42 km, and in the next 8 days, 8 times 3.75 equals to 30 kilometers. So this means he has completed 72 kilometers so far. Therefore, Amir still needs to complete the remaining distance. Step 3. Outline the reverse plan. To find the remaining distance, subtract 72 from 165. That gives 93 kilometers left to reach the goal. He has 12 days remaining, so divide 93 by 12. Therefore, Amir must walk 7.75 kilometers per day for the rest of the month. And lastly, step 4. Verify the calculation. Check the total distance to confirm accuracy. So, 10 times 4.2 plus 8 times 3.75 equals to 165 kilometers. The total matched the target. This confirmed the correctness and logical flow of the working backward strategy. So, which is confirmed the answer is correct. Analysis and reflection. From 4 steps to solve the problems, this shows how the working backward strategy helps to find the missing information step by step clearly and logically. From the slide, in the first point is the working backward strategy simplifies problem solving by organizing steps clearly. Second, it develops critical thinking, accuracy, and a deeper understanding of mathematical relationships. Next, comparing with the group's bar chart shows that multiple representation can strengthen understanding. The working backward strategy is an effective and systematic approach for solving mathematical problems. It encourages logical thinking, precision, and problem-solving confidence. This strategy also trains critical thinking and strengthens understanding of how numbers and operations are connected. This method proves that mathematics is not only about formulas, but also about reasoning and strategy. To summarize, the working backward strategy is an effective and logical approach for solving non-routine problems that have a clear end goal. By reasoning backward from the total target, Amir's required average distance, which is 7.75 kilometers per day, was calculated accurately. So that brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you, Encik Afian, and thank you to all my classmates for listening.